Welcome to 585 Grand Central Station, right here in Apex, North Carolina. This 3-bed, 4-bath, 2,200 square foot, 3-story townhome is situated in the absolute perfect location. Hey, come check this out. Like what you see? The furniture, appliances, electronics, and even the window treatments, they can be yours if the price is right. Another thing I love is this awesome kitchen. Check out these granite counters, stainless steel appliances, the refrigerator conveys, and guess what? The furniture can stay too. I can picture myself cooking dinner right here and enjoying it right around the table with friends and family. With a grocery store right in the neighborhood, amazing amenities including a swimming pool and a fitness center, and oh yeah, guess what? It's just minutes walking distance to downtown Apex. So many shops and restaurants right here at your disposal. And don't forget, there's a park right here. All of this can be yours for $400,000.